Always liked this view of Melbourne, the old Herald Sun building. It's like something out of Gotham City. It's been a while since I've been in the Melbourne CBD. It's now Saturday, January 2nd, 2021. Like a good coffee, it takes a while to distill through the filter. You have to spend time within it to appreciate it. So it's an absolutely outstandingly beautiful morning at the moment. It's about this far away from being what I'd describe as birthday suit weather. This is Danny. Great shirt and even better stories about growing up with a can in hand. My favourite Melbourne sculpture of St George and the Dragon. 3 counts of bareback there, what artistry. All I've done for this walk is map an east-west journey across the CBD, taking in as many laneways as possible. COVID could be worse, at least you don't have to wear all this garb to work. The frame within a frame within a frame, a photographer's crack cocaine. You really know you've got that catgut singing when 80% of the crowd stops for a listen. This guy flew a sneaky bird, which I didn't notice until post. Thanks for the surprise, buddy. How is the Serenity? I wish I could turn off the man on the commentary, or my daughter yelling in the background, screaming out hooray every 5 seconds. I'm on the Big Eye Observatory. No, I'm on the Melbourne Star. I don't even know what this thing's called. There are some amazing views down here of the shipyards, Bolte Bridge, the traffic on the highway, and then the Docklands city going up here, year in, year out, more buildings are going up. Railway yards and CBD in the background. Yeah, like any of these things, it's just a different take on the world that you're so used to from below. So highlights of the CBD walk. For me, it's all about the changing landscape that probably happens every 6 to 8 months of cafes, artwork on the walls, and buildings going up, to be honest. There's a lot of building and new architecture going up in the CBD. It is as bare as old Mother Hubbard's cupboard for people in the city at the moment, and it is a explorer photographer's delight because you're not rubbing elbows every 5 metres with strangers, nor would you want to be with COVID getting around the place. Aww. Does that sound like Boo Boo losing its leg? So adorable. Sounds like I'm getting a hernia.